Now let's look at this problem. The revenue Y in billions of dollars for Home Depot stores during the years 2010 through 2014 is given by the equation y equals 3.2x plus 65.2, where x is the number of years after 2010. First question, A, use the equation or a graph of it to complete the ordered pair 3 blank. First, let's look at the ordered pair we're about to complete. Two numbers, right? First number for the ordered pair is always your x value, and the second is the y. So in other words, we know x is equal to 3, and we're looking for the corresponding y value. Using the equation, you will have y equals 3.2. Well, instead of x, we're having 3 because we're given x equals to 3 plus 65.2. Okay, do the calculation here. Order of operation, right? You do the multiplication first. So 3.2 times 3, that's 9.6 plus 65.2. That will give you 8 here. So 74.8. So when x is 3, the corresponding y is 74.8. So to complete this ordered pair, it will be 3 74.8. Now let's look at B. Write a sentence explaining the meaning of the answer to part A. So what does this point 374.8 mean? Let's draw a graph to help us understand the situation. X, Y. Okay. So first let's look at X. Right? So naturally we will have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But here it says x is the number of years after 2010. So that means 0 will represent the year of 2010 and 1 will be 2002 because that's 1 year after 2010. Right, so 2 here represent the year of 2013. Sorry, back one number off. So, okay. So here's 2001, 2002, and 2012, 2013, and 2014. Okay. So 2001, 1 year after 2010, 2 years after 2010, 3 years, 4 years. Okay. All right. And now the Y is the revenue in billions of dollars. Okay, for Home Depot stores. Okay, so let's mark the unit. I'll call it, let's do 25, 50, and 75. Okay. Now, the point we get, or one point we know on the line, is 374.8. So when x is 3, y is 74.8. I would say it's pretty close to 75. So right here, 374.8. So this point means in the year of 2013, the revenue for Home Depot is 74.8 billions of dollars. Now let's look at the C part. If this trend continues, predict the revenue for Home Depot stores for the year 2018. So the year 2018 is 8 years after 2010. So here that corresponds to x equals 8. So knowing x is equal to 8, we can use the equation given to us to find the value of y. So here we're looking for the y value when x is equal to 8. So what we do is plug in 8 for x and solve for y. So 3.2 times 8 plus 65.2. Okay, let's go through the calculation. Again, do the multiplication first. So that will be 25.6 plus 65.2. Do the addition. So 8 here, 90.8. Okay, 90.8. So 90.8 is the y value. So that means the revenue for Home Depot stores for the year 2018 is $90.8 billion. Okay. Now here is a question for you. What is the revenue of Home Depot of the year 2015? So please pause the video and work on this problem yourself. And after you're done, click play and check if you get it right. Okay, so for the year 2015, it means our x is equal to 5. Okay, knowing x equal to 5, the revenue will be looking for the y. So you should have y equals, plug in 5 for x. So 3.2 times 5 plus 65.2. Let's go through the calculation. Here's a 0, 16.0 plus 65.2. That will give you the revenue of $81.2 billion. Hopefully you get it correctly. Thanks for watching.